Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it just so happens that right now I'm going to have enough songs for an album. So when I get enough songs for an album, then you do the album. But
Right.
yeah.
I'm going to be releasing a 4-song maybe.
Yeah.
I was going to do 12 songs, but I just find it's too hard to get that many great songs.
And why do you need that many? The industry only cares about the next hit single. So.
Yeah, well, I was hoping to get 12, but it's a little bit more than I thought. I'm just not happy with all the songs. So.
Why don't you just concentrate on one song at a time?
Yeah, right. Could do that.
Or in this case, 4 songs, I guess. But it makes sense to do one song, try to make it a hit, release it, and see what it does. And then meanwhile, be working on your next hit single.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, right. So while it's out there, and it's going to take time to,
work on your next one. It's like one song at a time.
That's what you've been doing? Releasing one song?
That's the philosophy.
Yeah.
I did end up only releasing one song that's going to be on this album, but the only reason that is because it's moving quicker than I thought it would.
Oh, yeah. What do you mean?
The recording of songs.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. I didn't know it was going to go that quick, but because I didn't really have any plans to go in the studio.
Right. So how long have you been, posting songs here and there?
It's all different because the internet's been changing. Now I go with Reverb Nation, so I've been doing that for the past few years.
Yeah.
And then, of course, there's Facebook.
You like Facebook?
It's a good tool.
Yeah.
Been doing that for about 7 years. But that's been an evolving thing too.
Yeah. So 7 years, and for Reverb Nation about 5.
Yeah, and I don't even actually do my Facebook. I let my manager do that.
Right.
Because it's just geared towards the music. I'm not into the who's doing what to who and who did.
Right.
Did
but so 7 years, that's pretty good. That's a good time frame.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
So you're gonna need some mega hits, right? That's what you're working on right now.
Mega hits. Well, that's always nice. Yeah.
Yeah. That's my goal with my new EP.
Yeah. Mega.
Pretty much the best songs I can possibly put out, right?